and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today you are in another episode of Never Out of Fashion, and this Never Out of Fashion is gonna be a lot of fun because I have a transporter which is by Volkswagen, and thanks to my friend Jobo who introduced to me a kick-ass person who has a lot of collection. I'm gonna talk to him a lot about his cars and bikes, and this is gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna talk to you right after this intro video. To meet the proud owner of this particular car, which is Vishal Shroff. Hi Vishal. Good. How are you? So Vishal, tell me, what was the purpose of this build?
I bought this car 4 years ago.
Okay.
And I bought it for a purpose. Actually, I'm a paramotor pilot.
Wow.
So I keep going to different exotic destinations to fly.
Okay.
So the issue is we never get time to fly because the window is very close. And the only way to do this is we go camp the whole night, and then early morning the weather's good.
Okay.
And we unpack, put the glider on, and we go flying.
Wow.
And we usually camp. So other places we have to go outdoors, and that's the best way to do it. And it took me 4 years to build this. Everything fits in there, and we sleep in it, and it's just perfect toy to have.
So this itself is your camp and the touring machine?
Yes, it is. The paramotor is mounted inside itself.
What? You have a Paramount here?
Yeah, it's inside that.
So let's
Let me
go
show you
watch
what
it.
it looks like. Let me show you what's in there, how we work on it. So that's the paramotor.
Okay.
And it's a two-stroke 230cc engine.
Wow.
It's developed like 24 horsepower.
Okay.
And we get it out, we fuel up, put the wing up, and we go flying.
Wow. And in terms of feet, how high?
We can go up to like 5,000 feet.
And you're a trained pilot?
Yeah, I'm a trained commercial pilot as well. I fly this for fun.
Wow. And this build, the entire build was for this purpose?
Yes.
Okay. And how many people do you travel normally in this?
Usually we just two, because a lot of equipment we take and go, so it's only two people we take in.
So what all you have, if you don't mind telling me what are the stuff that goes inside here?
So that's the full paramotor which goes into dismantling it.
That's the one.
And that's the wing which is inside.
Okay.
And I take a cycle just in case we don't want more on, and instead we can hold land and go into different places, so I put a bike in there. Built to have camping on top as well. We have more people going, so we can camp on top as well. Okay. The roof also being made, which is not there today.
Okay.
And we camp, and there are also holes here for camping. Yeah, that's 5 minutes and we all set up. So we usually put this up and we camp outside in the evenings. There's a bed in there, we go back in the night and camp in there. Wow. Because it's safer there.
And like you mentioned, it just took us 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, everything came out and you had your bicycle on, You had your Paramount on there, and that's the wing, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, that's a wing, yeah.
And anything else you have here?
So there's a lot of stuff you can put in, a lot of storage which you can put in here and here.
Okay.
For food and items and all that, which I'm not carrying today because we're not supposed to be camping today.
Yeah.
But a lot of storage can go into this.
Nice. So you said there's a bed. How many people can comfortably sleep
I
in
think
there?
2 can comfortably sleep in here, and there's also provision on top to have a bed and sleep as well.
Oh,
So
nice.
there another 2 can sleep comfortably.
So 4 people can easily sleep.
Easily, yeah.
That's massive.
Yeah.
So can we just look at a bed?
Yeah, sure. It just turns into a bed in like 5 seconds.
So now let's have a demo on how Vishal can tell us the entire thing can convert into a bed. Vishal, can you just give us a demo?
Yeah, sure. This pulls out.
Okay. Wow.
And you put a mattress on top, and there's a full king size bed which you can use. I think 3 can sleep easily,
Okay.
but I think 2 guys are good enough.
2 guys my size are comfortable. I would rather give my reference.
And this is storage as well for food and stuff like that. Plus there's storage down there as well. So a lot of food stuff can be stored.
Okay. And do you have a water outlet or something like that?
Nothing as of now because we carry a water,
Okay.
but we need to bring the water cans and use it outside.
Okay, that's nice. So is there anything else you want really to explain about this caravan, or what do you call this? Do you have a name for this?
It's a toy I like.
Well said, it's a toy that you like, and that's also known as the transporter.
Yes, the transporter.
Perfect transporter for people, adventure junkies like you. And then, are we going to fire up this Paramount?
Yes, sure.
Okay, and just give me a little inputs about this Paramount. When did you buy it? Why did you buy it? How often do you use it? And then, have you upgraded to something else?
Yeah, so this is called a Fresh Breeze,
Okay,
and it's a 230cc motor,
okay,
2-stroke, and it's 24 horsepower. And I'm upgrading to a trike now.
Wow.
I've overgrown it. I do fly it sometimes, and we can fire it up, see how it looks like.
Superb. Let's fire this up now.
Usually we check if the harness is set, everything, and we're locked, and nothing is loose. Check there's no loose particles. And it's secure.
So these are the checks that you need to do if you need to fly this.
Yes.
Okay, and let's fire this up. Crazy stuff. Just tell me, how does it feel just to have it on your back?
Oh, it's fun. It's very heavy actually.
Okay.
Once you're airborne, it's a lot of fun and there's no weight on yourself.
And what's that yellow thing right next
That's
to
the
you?
wing which we need to put and take off with.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we can't do it here because we don't have permissions to fly out of here.
Whoa, that is crazy. And how heavy is the entire machine on your back?
It's 35 kilos all up weight.
Oh, quite a lot.
Yeah, you'll be fit to fly actually for this.
Oh yeah, and you look absolutely fit to do this. Oh man, that is definitely a weekend on wheel, which turns round and round and round. Well, I am on the Paramount. Definitely, I have no clue what this machine can do, but then I'm just, for the fancy of it, I'm trying it on. And look what I have. The biggest fan ever on my back. This is crazy, guys. This is unbelievable. And all thanks to Vishal for making this happen, and also to Jobo to introduce me to Vishal. So I have a lot of stuff coming in a couple of days where I'll try to explore what Vishal and his friends have to show us in coming days. And I can't have this for too long, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna let it go. Thank you, Vishal, so much. I had a fantastic time and your paramotor was outstanding. It gave me so much adrenaline rush. And this Volkswagen transporter, you've truly transported it to a new dimension. I think it's time to leave. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yep.
Thanks.
Vishal!